Hi friends! Today we're going to draw a duck, or in Italian, anatra. Let's begin by drawing the duck's head. It's kind of like a circle. Now let's do the back and go up at the end because this is the tail of the duck. Go down, across, and start to curve up a little bit. Very good. Okay, now let's do the mouth. The mouth of a duck is called a beak. Yes, and this beak is open. He's hungry. Let's draw the eyes. And the eyes are closed because it's sleeping. Shh. Now I'm drawing the wings because ducks can fly. Now let's outline our drawing with a thick black marker. Let's speed this up.
Let's color!
This is my favorite part. I love coloring. The first color we're using is orange. In Italian, we say arancione. Let's color together the mouth. Great job! Now the bottom part. Can you please help me wake up the duck? Let's say together, wakey, wakey. Great! Now let's outline the wing with the orange marker. It's easier that way to not make mistakes and go outside the lines. Now I'm speeding up the coloring part, but you take your time, okay? And it's fine if it doesn't look the same as mine. Nobody's picture is perfect. What's important is that you're having fun. What sound does the duck make? Do you know? Yeah. Quack, quack. Do it with me. Quack, quack, quack. Now for the main color of the body, we're going to use a nice bright yellow. Or in Italian, we say giallo. Yet again, I'm outlining the drawing first with the yellow marker.
This duck looks awesome!
We know that ducks have wings to help them fly. But did you know that they're great swimmers too? They have webbed feet, and they use the webbed feet like paddles in the water. A baby duck is called a duckling. Very good. And the duckling hatches from an egg. When the duckling hatches, they often follow their mom everywhere in a little line. If you were a duck, would you rather swim in a pond or waddle on the grass? That's the movement that ducks make. They waddle. Waddle, 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 waddle.
Hi friends, stick around after we color our duck to count the ducks with me, Bo Bunny.
This drawing looks awesome. I hope you're having fun coloring with me. We've nearly finished, and you're doing a great job. We've finished!
Yay! Let's learn! Hi friends, let's count the ducks together. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6. Say, well done! Well friends, if you enjoyed watching this video, take a look at our How to Draw a Cute Unicorn. And please ask a grown-up to subscribe for more fun bilingual drawing videos for kids. We'll be back with a brand new video next week. See you then! Bye!